Hi everyone and welcome to my walkthrough on my Makers Movement project. My name is Charlize Thompson and I'm currently an education student at Murdoch University. My project is all about sustainability and in particular sustainable housing. So below here I've got an overview on what you will be expecting for the next 10 lessons and what the Year 7 students will be learning. I've got their learning outcomes, so what each student should know by the end of these 10 weeks. I've then got the curriculum links and how my project relates to those curriculum links, and I've got two, so I've got one for science and then one for digital technology. I then go into the Meaningful Learning Framework and give a brief description on what that is, and then I list the 5 characteristics and state how my project relates to each of those. Then I move on to the 9 principles of the Makers Movement, again give a brief description of what it is, list the 9 of them and then highlight the ones my project relates to, and then give a brief description on how my project relates to them and just have the references down the bottom. Move on to my project content page. So this just gives an outline on what each lesson will be like and what it will look like. So my first lesson is going to be an introduction to sustainability, and then you'll have what you will be doing that lesson. Then you've got some resources and then teacher notes. All the lessons will be laid out like that, and you've got videos below. Weeks 5 to 9, the students will be starting to create their sustainable houses. And then at week 9, they will start presenting, and they've got 2 weeks to do that. Then below that I've got the actual end product, and then a little description on what is expected. Then I've got some screenshots of my end product. So I've got the frontal view, the bird's eye view, and the back view. And then below here I've got some close views of some extra sustainable practices that I added. So I've got a water tank, vegetable patch, chicken pen, general waste, and garden organic bins. Then I've got what it will be expected on the PowerPoint that the students will then display their end product on. And I've got references for all the videos and resources that were used in the lesson plans. So then onto the About Me page. So this just talks about who I am and why I have chosen to be an educator. It also goes into my beliefs as an educator. And then I have also listed my email down below here to enable you guys to ask me any questions about my resource if needed. Awesome. So thank you everyone for watching, and good luck.